Will I be able to unbox this looking through a camera lens? We'll find out. Hello YouTube, Chris the Frugal Audiophile here. Got a quick unboxing for you today. This is the SMSL DA-8s. They had an older version of this that was out a couple years ago. This one's been out for a year or so, maybe two, and it actually has a balanced connection on the back of it, but we'll see that as we get into it. So I picked this up on Black Friday for $145. I believe that is like $25 or $30 off. It was a good deal, and I've been wanting to upgrade my SMSL Q5, so I got a nice piece of foam. Get that out of the way. Some documents here. You can see them. Just your warranty information, etc. Power supply. Oh, that's a nice beefy cable. Now this one, it does have an external power supply, but that's okay. Look at this thing. I mean, this thing probably weighs almost as much as the amplifier. I guess we'll find out. We're gonna bring this back down over here. Like I said, doing this looking through the lens. This is the end that goes into, come here, goes into the amplifier. Your standard IEC cable here. Let's see, we want to do that next. Oh, the remote. Anything else in here? Oh, and of course, we do have an antenna because this has Bluetooth built into it. Does that turns, but does not, turns around like that. I don't know why you need to do that, but doesn't go back and forth or anything. Probably can spin around like that to fit in different places. So this does have Bluetooth built in. So there's that. Not any kind of packaging. Gonna save the amp for last. Come here, remote. Standard remote that comes with a lot of SMSL products. It's not a bad remote, but it's very plasticky, very off-the-shelf feeling. That's like they ordered about 10,000 of these, and it comes with several of their products, but you know, it works. The A, B, and C there. I guess this is so you can control different SMSL units. The batteries installed. They're not, looks like it. Oh, nice, this AA's. Okay, I thought it was gonna be one of those old watcher camera batteries. There's your remote, not bad. Cheap plastic. I'm probably gonna connect this up with a Harmony, so the remote, it doesn't really matter, but it's good to have. All right, get this out of here. Whoa, wow, this is actually heavier than I thought it was gonna be. Pull out this bag. Nice. This is a really nice, like, solid brick of aluminum amplifier. Look at that. Yeah. It's a 3-footer, which is okay. I've heard that if you have a heavy power supply, it does tend to wobble. So that's something to look out for there. I don't think it's gonna be a big issue for myself. There's your balanced input right there. Unbalanced. It's for your antenna and your speaker terminals. So this is really substantial feeling. I like the way this feels. It's very smooth aluminum. Yep, there's your volume. Cool. Yeah, nice feeling unit. Now, one thing I forgot when I ordered this, that this does not have a subwoofer output, which is kind of sad, but I can figure out another way to hook it up. I don't know if I will just tie the wires together in here for the different cables for the sub as well as for the speakers. I don't know, my sub does have a speaker level input, so we can use that, but that's kind of disappointing. I'm not really sure what's gonna happen with that, but I am really impressed with this unit. I will be doing a review of this model here, so stay tuned for that. This is the SMSL DA-8s balanced digital amplifier. So I thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe and also consider becoming a Patreon. And remember, frugal does not necessarily mean cheap.